we want to solve cos 2x is 0.23 for values of x between minus pi and pi. Once again, with the question being asked in radians, we should give our answers in radians. However, that doesn't mean we need to work out intermediate steps in radians. If you feel more comfortable with degrees, we can convert into degrees. So if we look at this problem as a problem in degrees, we know that x would be between minus 180 degrees and 180 degrees. We're looking for solutions for 2x, so we're going to be finding solutions between minus 360 degrees and 360 degrees. If we look at the cast diagram, this is 0 degrees. Going this way gives us positive angles, so we'll get 90, 180, 270 and around to 360. Going the other way gives negative angles, so this would be minus 90, minus 180, minus 270 and minus 360. We want to solve cos 2x is 0.23. So initially we're solving for 2x. We want to do the inverse cosine or shift cos on the calculator of 0.23, and this gives us 76.70 degrees to 2 decimal places. Remember, if we want to give our final answer to 1 decimal place, then we'll need to work to 2 decimal places. (76.70 degrees is here in the A quadrant, and since we're dealing with a cosine and the value is positive, the other one must be in the C quadrant. The symmetry tells us 76.70 degrees below the horizontal axis. We start looking for solutions at minus 360, and the first one we meet is 76.70 on from minus 360, so it's minus 283.30 degrees. The next solution is just here before we get to 0, which is minus 76.70 degrees. Continue through 0, and this angle here is 76.70, and then on, and we meet another solution just here. 360 take away 76.70, 283.30 degrees. We don't meet any more solutions on our way to 360 degrees. Now to find x, we need to divide each of these solutions by 2. We get minus 141.7 degrees, minus 38.4 degrees, 38.4 degrees, and 141.7 degrees. Finally, we need to convert all of these answers into radians. So we know 360 degrees is 2 pi radians. So the conversion to convert from degrees to radians is to multiply by pi and divide by 180. So we can do that to each of our solutions here. This gives us minus 2.5 radians, minus 0.7 radians, 0.7 radians, and 2.5 radians. In any given question, we may be asked to produce